Welcome students in a series of decimals. Today's topic is multiplication of decimals by 10, 100, 1000. Multiplication of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000 is very easy. What you need to do, first ignore the decimal points and multiply the numbers just like a simple multiplication. Then count the number of decimal places in decimal number. Then place the decimal point in product accordingly. So let us see few examples so that we can do it. At first we will understand multiplication of decimals by 10. It is your first question. 0.7 multiply 10. You know that how to multiply any whole number by 10? So it is very easy, just like that. Let us think this 0.7 is just 7. Multiply 7 by 10 and what you will get? 7070. Now, in case of decimal, what we need to do? We need to count decimal place in decimal number. Here, decimal places are 1. Decimal places is just 1. So, we will count from here 1 digit and we will put decimal here. So, your answer is 7.0 and 7.0 is equals to 7. Let us do one more question. 3.5 multiply by 10. In this case also, here decimal is after one place. So what we will do? At first multiply 35 by 10. What we will get? 350. Now we will put decimal after how many digits? Because here decimal is after one place. That's why we will count one digit. It means from here and we will put decimal here. It is this 35.0 and 35.0 is equals to 35. It means we can say that multiplying a decimal by 10 moves the decimal point one place to right. Now let us understand multiplication of decimals by 100. Just see 3.06 multiply by 100. At first multiply this number by 100 just by assuming that it is 306. Ignore decimal this time. So 306 multiply by 100. It is very easy. Just write 306 and these two zeros. It means it is 30,600. Now we need to put decimal because it is a decimal number. How many places? Count 1 and 2. There are 2 decimal places. It means we will put decimal after 2 digits 1 and 2. Here 306.00. Now it is equals to 306. In this way, let us do one more question. 0.519 multiply by 100. Just multiply 519 by 100. What you will get? 51900. Now we need to put decimal. How many places? There are 3 decimal places in this decimal number. So we will put decimal after 3 digits from here. 1, 2, 3. It means here we will put decimal. So our final answer is 51.9. It means what we can say that multiplying a decimal by 100 moves the decimal point 2 places to right. Let us do multiplication of decimals by 1000. Here is your question. 3.007 multiply by 1000. At first, just multiply 3007 by 1000. Ignore decimal first and write your answer. It is 3007000. It is your product. Now we need to put decimal. So at first count decimal places in this decimal number 1, 2, 3. It means where we will put decimal 1, 2, 3 here. So here we will put decimal. It means our final answer is 3007. Let us do one more question. 16.73 multiply by 1000. So here also, let us multiply 1673 by 1000. What you will get? 1673000. Now we will put decimal. After how many places? 1, 2. Decimal places are 2 in this decimal number. It means we will count 2 places, 2 digits from here, 1 and 2, and we will put decimal here like this. So our final answer is 16,730. It means we can say multiplying a decimal by 1000 moves the decimal point 3 places to right. So it is very easy to multiply any decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. So we have learned that multiplying a decimal by 10 moves the decimal point one place to right, and multiplying a decimal by 100 moves the decimal point two place to right. Then multiplying a decimal by 1000 moves the decimal point three places to right. So remember these things and we will do questions related to that. Write the one-step operation you would use to change these numbers as specified below. For example, 4.03 to 40.3. The question is like this, that what we need to multiply in 4.03 so that we will get the product 40.3. So just observe the decimal points. In this number 4.03 decimal places are 2, but in product decimal place is just 1. It means all digits are same, but decimal point moves. How many place? In this 2 and in this 1. It means one place is moved towards right. So we can say decimal places moves one place to right when we multiply by 10. So let us multiply by 10. 4.03 multiply by 10. At first multiply just by ignoring the decimal point 4030 and put decimal after two decimal places. So your final answer is 40.3. It means that one operation is multiply by 10. Second question 0.0121. In this question also just see here 0.01. Here are two decimal places and here are no decimal places, only whole number 1. It means decimal place 2 towards right, no decimal place. So that we can say the decimal places moves to 2 places to the right. It means multiply by 100. So let us multiply by 100 in 0.01. First multiply just by ignoring the decimal point and what you will get 100 and put decimal after two places 1 and 2. It means here. So it is 1.00 and which is equals to 1. Now next question is 4.2 to 4200. In this question 4.2 decimal place 1 decimal place and here decimal moves to 3 places when we multiply by 1000. So let us multiply by 1000 in 4.2 just by ignoring the decimal point. What you will get 42000. Now put decimal after one place, so it means decimal will be here. So your product is 4200. It is. Now do one more question 12.875 to 12,875. Here also decimal places are 3 and here decimal place moves 3 places to the right. It means again multiply by 1000. So multiply by 1000 in this 12.875. What you will get 12875,000. Now put decimal. Count decimal places here 3. So we will put decimal 1, 2, 3 here. And it is your final answer 12,875. It means one operation which is needed to convert this 12.875 into 12,875 is multiply by 1000. So, my dear students, if you will face any problem in mathematics, what you need to do? You need to just do practice and you can solve any problem. Goodbye.